American singer Randy Crawford recorded Higher Than Anyone Can Count in 1986. A decade later, Jamaican singer Benjy Myaz transformed it into the reggae hit Love You Higher. We hear the backstory behind that song in this week's FiWi Culture, brought to you by Ray and Nephew.
What was the reason for covering this Randy Crawford hit song?
Tough question, but so many songs that I've covered, right? But that one stood with me over the years. It's a song that I have always loved. And melody was always there in my head. You know, you sing it, you hear it coming from the dances on the radio. The original was always playing around. And so it's a catchy song, so I decided to give it a twist and put my own vocals to it.
2 kisses from you, that's when I knew.
I did not seek permission, I must say, and was confronted by the original writer about the song, and I had to explain my cause and discuss reasons for that. We didn't get clearance, but we had to shorten it. At the time, it was 45 records that was coming out, not CDs, not MP3s. So we did that, and a catchy title too. For example, Randy Crawford is such a long one, most people don't retain it. They know the song, but they never know the title. So Love You Higher was a final decision from the printry.
The amount of love I have and you inspire.
Who produced Love You Higher?
I did. I arranged and produced.
Which studio was the song recorded at?
93 East Records, which is a studio we had formed with Mr. Trevor Bailey, rest in peace. That was just my personal space. So we called the studio 93 East Records. It was located at 93 East Street. J.D. Bailey Reality, it's still there.
Are you feeling what I'm feeling?
That song was mixed 1 year before it was released. I listened to that in my vehicle for forever, for the whole time, on loop. Them time you could put things on repeat, your CD. So I played that song so much times that I felt like when it's ready, it's the right time. The first memory is when I did the song before the audience at Dennis Brown and Friends. That's introducing myself to the audience. That's Benjy Myaz. They heard the song on the radio, now I'm doing it, performing it live. So that was a memorable time, and performing the song also with Randy Crawford at the Prime Minister's Gala, the year 2000, at Jamaica House. That's a memorable performance. So we turned it into a duet that was set up by the PM office. So I came out on the second verse, and that was a big moment.
All right, Pree Dis Massive, that brings us to the end of this week's episode, coming to you from Spanish Town Road. And a good thing we done shoot, cause yo, the rain start for drizzly, you know. I have my good clean clothes today. Eddie have on theme good clean clothes. But until next time, we'll see you guys. Take care of yourself. We're out. Peeling things back and we're, no, it's not a throwback. One more time. Now afterward, that's this question that we have for the one more.